Hey folks, one of the probably the most popular video that I have on my channel is from when I built this sliding deck gate several years ago, and I just painted it. I pressure washed it a couple days ago and painted it, and I'm still in the process of touching up out here, so you can see. I just thought I'd shoot a quick update, show you what it looks like now. I mean, the wood has held up really well, this pressure treated wood from Lowe's, and it looked terrible up until recently, but like I said, I pressure washed it, painted it. Let me show you the other side. I need to paint the other side of it now, but it still slides good, works perfectly. Hopefully you can see the little house thing, that's the upper retainer, and then the bottom here, show you you can see what I mean, the dirty slats there, but the wood is still solid. It's held up really well. I used some ordinary steel reinforcements. I dadoed in here. I wish I would have filled in this stuff better, just so it wouldn't have collected so much dirt and grime over the years. But overall, it's really held up well. Hope that's useful to you. I would highly recommend this project. I had questions about the wheels. There they are, just ordinary straight little casters, nothing to it. Thanks for watching, everybody.